Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to interact with Plaza Finance testnet and earn some points for yourself. Plaza Finance testnet is one of those testnet projects I believe will do very well, guys. I believe it will do very well. So for you to join this, what you should do, if you are using your laptop or your system, your desktop to mine, what you should do, go to your Chrome browser, then install MetaMask extension. So once you install MetaMask extension, add it to your Chrome browser, create a new wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet before, if you have a MetaMask wallet before, just import it into the extension, MetaMask extension. Then if you're using your Android phone, you can use your Mrs. browser or use your MetaMask wallet app. Do you get MetaMask wallet browser? So if you're using an iPhone, you can also use MetaMask browser. So here currently, as you can see on my screen, I'm on Mrs. browser. So once you're on Mrs. browser, if you click on this button here, you're going to see all your extensions. Then make sure, if you don't have MetaMask extension installed, just make use of the search bar, search for MetaMask extension. Then it will come up, download it, install it, then add it to your Chrome browser. Create a new wallet if you don't have any existing wallet. If you have existing wallet, just import it into the wallet. So once you get to your MetaMask app, just come to this browser section here. Just tap on it. Then the browser search bar will pop up. Paste the link on the search bar. There's a website called l2faucet.com. So that website is going to give you it for free, but it's testnet it. You get it? Testnet, not real it, not mainnet it. So it will help you. That will help you to interact very well with this Plaza Finance. So what you should do is go to your homepage. Copy your wallet address. Just copy your wallet address. Once you copy it, go to this website on your Chrome browser. So I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So once you copy your wallet address, just come here. Then see this section, it says select token. Click on it. Then scroll down. You see this base Sopolia testnet. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, click on this confirm selection. After you've done that, click on this get token. Oh, I haven't pasted the address. Paste the address here. Paste the address. Once you paste the address, then click on get token. Then here it's going to bring these two options for you to verify yourself. So click on web authentication. Then here click on attest and receive token. So it's in progress. So this process, so I'll just click on this device to verify. So sometimes if you try to do this in the MetaMask browser, it won't work. If you try to do it on Mrs. browser, it won't work. So just use your normal Chrome. For those of you using system, you don't have to worry about anything because you're already on Chrome. Do you get? So it will just go easily. So just if you're using Android, you see now it says success view attestation. So this thing, you should be doing it almost every day. Do you get? Be doing it every day so that you'll be getting this 0.18. It will help you to interact very well with Plaza Finance testnet. So if let me just check the transaction, you can see the transaction went through. So make sure you're doing this almost every day so that you can interact very well. So guys, this Mrs. browser, once you paste the link, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on connect, then choose MetaMask. So it's going to load up. So I'll just click on connect. Click on connect again. So here it's asking me to add this base Sopolio to my wallet. I'll just click on confirm. In case you see this pop up, just click on confirm and add it. So now if you look here, you see that it has connected. So for you to interact, first of all, you can click this get test token, but before you get this test token, you need to have at least Ethereum worth of $1 for you to do that. I've already gotten mine. So once you have that in your wallet, just click on get test token. But that's not the only way you can interact. If you come to this end section here, so every day you will be buying and selling every day, at least once every day. What you're using to buy and sell is not your real money, it's testnet money. That's why I first of all showed you that L2 faucet for you to get Ethereum worth of 0.001. So you can be doing that every day to get more faucet. It will enable you to interact very well. So here now, I'll just click on, I've already bought for today. Let me just click on sell. So you see as it goes. So now let me just put in the amount I want to sell. I have 120. So let me just sell this. Now just click on withdraw. So now it's processing. So this is what you'll be doing. It's not your real money that you'll be using to interact. So you don't have to worry about anything. So I'll just click on confirm. So you can see here say you redeemed WSTETH. So now let me show you another thing you can do. You see this leverage section? You can buy and sell leverage too. You can buy and sell leverage. So if you want to buy leverage, just click on buy. Just click on buy. Then put in the amount of leverage you want to buy. So maybe let me just put in 0.2. 0.2. So you can put in any amount. You are not restricted to any amount. You can put in any amount. So I'll just purchase this leverage. You can buy and sell leverage. So the same method, you confirm the payment. And once you interact every day, your point will be increasing. So this particular testnet project is one of the testnet project that is very easy, guys. Very easy to interact with. So I'll just click on confirm. Then it's preparing the transaction. If it's successful, you know. If it's not successful, it will show you that. So let me just confirm this transaction. So guys, you can see you created Levy ETH. So that's the things you need to do. If you come to my portfolio here, if you click on your portfolio, you will see the value of what you have. So now my portfolio, my net worth is about $16,000. Do you get? So if you come to this Plaza, let me show you. Go down, you will see all the reward I got from activity. Do you get? The leverage I just created now, I got 5.2 points. For this thing I sold, I got 5.2 points. You see the time here, March 1st, 10:53. You can see it here. The one I just did now, 10:55. You see it here. See my time, 10:56. So that's how you can interact and earn some points for yourself. And if you see my total points here, you can see what I've earned. So these are the ways you can interact. And again, you can refer your friends. Like if you want to get your referral link, just click on this refer friends to copy your referral link, then share it with your friends. And another thing you can do, on the homepage, this section that says points and rewards, you can click on it. You see the amount of points you have already, and you can see your link, your referral link. Then here, guys, this another place you can claim reward. Once you've gotten 50 points, you'll be able to claim this NFT. You get? Then if you scroll down, once you've gotten 100 points, this claim button will turn on. You claim it, that NFT. Once you got 200 points, this NFT badge, the claim button will turn on. Then you'll be able to claim it. So guys, another thing you can do in this platform is to join their community. So for you to do that, just click on this 3 line here on the top right corner, tap on it. Then you see this guild here, just tap on it. So click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, then choose MetaMask. So click on connect. So once it's connected, just wait a minute. So you see a verification button for you to confirm sign in. But if you've signed in before, it might not bring the verification again. So because I've signed in before, so it's not bringing the verification, but you might see it. So guys, after you've connected your wallet, just go ahead and connect your Discord. Just click on the join, then connect your Discord, connect your Twitter, your email, your Telegram account. Just connect all those, your social media accounts. Then you can click on this mint and mint this pin. So once you click on it, but it's like this NFT, you're going to be paying gas fee of 0.000 for it. So if you have it, just go ahead and mint it. You can see I don't have it currently in my wallet. So these are the ways you can interact with this Plaza Finance, guys, and earn some points for yourself. That's how easy it is. So you can do this on a daily basis. The connection of your social media is just once you've connected, so you don't have to connect again. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.